Cheers! We were invited by Midori Clark dahil sa meron tayong unlimited lobster and seafood for today. So for today's weekend, napakaswerte namin guys. Nataon pa anniversary namin. So thank you so much Midori Clark. So start tayo dito. Eto yun. Actually kanina medyo maraming tao dito. So luckily ngayon konti na lang. Tara, hingi tayo. Hello po. Can I ask for your pinagkakaguluhan na lobster? Alright, there you go. Yeah, so this is our first catch. Ikot pa tayo. Tara! How about for, yan, sige, hingin na rin akong ano nyo. Tempura. Yan. Dalawa po, bagong huli din. So this section, Japanese naman sila. So, hingi pa rin tayo, syempre. Gusto pa rin natin yung mga Japanese food, di ba? Sir, can I ask? Sashimi? There you go. Thank you so much. Siyempre, sir. Chuka pa mo video ka niyan. Thank you. Alright, so we go to our table. This is good. Good enough for first batch siguro. So, tara. So, we're staying pala dito sa VIP room number 2. Thanks so much for this setup. Hanap pa tayo, tara. So, kung kayong tatanungin guys, pag nandito kayo, ano ba yung una nyong kakainin? O ano ba yung mas marami nyong kakainin given yung mga options dito? So, check natin yung mga iba pa. So, this is lengua, pork stew. This one is an Italian chicken. Wow! This one is mixed seafood in white sauce. Spicy salt and pepper chicken. I think I'm gonna go for the Italian chicken. There you go. Ayan guys. King-Dao pork. Looks good. Lobster fried rice. I like this. Ayan. Chicken corn soup at saka chowder. Ooh, I like chowder. There you go. One is enough. So dito guys, meron tayong mga cheese, cold cuts. So I think this is a salmon on a cucumber. Tsaka this one. What is this? Is this cheese? Parang dessert na to ha. Okay, let's put it here. Okay na muna to. Balik tayo sa lungga natin. So, kanina meron tayong konting chef's exhibition na cooking. And then ito yon. This is a oven cook na beef shank. This is the entire magapata ng baka. And then 10 hours siyang niluto until it becomes this super tender, super moist. Napakabango. Tikman naman natin yung kanilang mga rolled Peking duck. A super delicacy.
Nakita mo yun?
Bloody. That is bloody. Cheers! Uy, tinuloy ah. Go, go!
Coffee, gird yourself, sir.
Thank you!
Hello, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you pa.
So that was it, guys. Thank you so much, Midori, for inviting us. Grabe, sobrang sulit. Sakto, anniversary pa namin ni Wifey. So sobrang saktong date namin. So this is it. This is gonna be happening up until June. Up until the end of June. And then make sure, guys, na you keep your details, yung mga payment natin dito, because they're gonna be raffling and giving away something special, very special, like phones, staycations dito sa Midori, and many more. So to know more about it, guys, make sure to check out their fan page. We're gonna be including dun sa caption natin sa baba. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye, guys.